Perlok hani ngan penhikai pi kumno ban delete pernen ya ke account Instagram jong pi. Ngait pi kwa ban delete te page ini video pada kut te ke banakong pli Instagram jong pi. Leja profile lang to, pilih lang to. Te anda ladap lang to. Page hang to dan kita kilai teli kilai klik hak itu. Te pinyo iya ka setting jong u Instagram. Hang to klik to account center. Anda ladap hang to personal details. Hang to deactivate or delete. Hang to pia i deactivate or delete account, klik hang to. Then hang to ladap don ar delete account choose ke way. Ladap hang to pia i hang to ki ong deactivate or delete. Pi kwa ban delete em, a delete kwa deactivate a haneng deactivate la biang. Dalam nanta ki pan ka reason I hang to someone something else. Nanta dai hang to ka password jong pi. Keto ka ba pi pedon kama kene. On ladap continue. On ladap continue hang to te delete your account, te confirm delete account, te hang to kala biangi. On da kala dapat delete, pay hani try convert to your account has been delete.